Hello everyone, I'm Zhu Qian from Nanjing University of Aeronautics and Astronautics, China. In this presentation, I will introduce our work, RoScript, a visual script-driven, truly non-intrusive robotic testing system for touchscreen applications. Okay, let's first take a look at the background. This work focuses on the test automation for touchscreen applications. In such test automation, a typical approach is to firstly record manual actions as test scripts. Then we can use test tools to automatically execute the test scripts. The typical tools for such kind of test automation include Robotic, Enjoy UI Automator, APM, and so on. A problem of these existing techniques is that they are intrusive to the device on the test. The reason is that they depend on the operating system or GUI framework of the device on the test to get GUI states or trigger GUI actions. So because of this reason, we need to install agent software on the device before testing, and we need to build wired or wireless connections to the device during testing. Since at least some changes need to be made to the internal of this device, and we need to connect the device, we can see that such kind of approaches are intrusive to the device on the test. A problem of being intrusive is that intrusive test automation is difficult to work on closed or uncommon systems. For the closed systems, the examples include a GoPro camera or a Nintendo Switch game console. In such kind of closed systems, there's no way to access the internal operating system or GUI framework. Therefore, intrusive testing cannot be conducted. The uncommon systems, typical examples include embedded systems with VxWorks-like operating system, or billing machine with self-defined system. In such kind of system, maybe we can access the internal operating system of the device. However, because such systems are uncommon, unlike Android or iOS, it is difficult to implement a test agent on the system to enable test automation. The objective of our work is to build an easy-to-use and truly non-intrusive test automation system for touchscreen applications. We want the techniques to not build connection to the device on the test during testing, and we want the approach to not require installing software to the device on the test before testing. Our work starts from inside that by combining video GUI testing and robot techniques, it might be possible to build such an easy-to-use and truly non-intrusive test automation system. Video GUI testing largely uses widget images to express the GUI actions on a touch screen, and such images can easily be obtained even without the support of the internal operating system. And with robot techniques, we can trigger the GUI actions from the external perspective. Although the insight looks simple, there are still many challenges faced in building such a video script-driven robotic testing system. The first is how to express various robot-based test actions in video test script. The second is how to non-intrusively execute video test scripts with the robot. And the third is how to non-intrusively record GUI actions on a touch screen into test scripts. Keep in mind that all the solutions should fit the non-intrusive context. We address these challenges in our RoScript test automation system. The system looks like this. We use XY plotter to conduct GUI actions. The XY plotter is widely used in personal writing and drawing, and widely available. We use camera to get the GUI states, and we use a stylus pen to touch the screen. In RoScript, we introduce a new test script language, which is suitable for robotic testing. The language uses camera-taken pictures to build test scripts. The widget images are obtained from camera photos, and we introduce new instructions for robotic testing. And in RoScript, we design a test engine to turn high-level video GUI test scripts into low-level robot commands. We use EBB command set to drive the robot actions. This command set is an open source command set, The test engine supports fully automated test execution. It takes several steps to enable the test automation, including locate widgets on the screen, determine the move of the lobbed arms, forming GUI actions, and make a detour to connect different actions to ensure that lobbed arms will not cover the screen between actions. In RoScript, we also introduce a test script recorder. A very interesting attribute of the recorder is that it can do non-intrusively recording. It can non-intrusively record test scripts from human action videos. So to record the test script, we firstly use a camera to take a video about human actions on the touch screen, the finger actions on the touch screen. Then we use several steps to turn the video into test scripts. In the recorder, we firstly are using finger detection to find the click positions. And we introduce an algorithm to crop images for the click the widgets. So in this way, we can automatically get a test script from the video. We conduct experiments to validate the effectiveness of the proposed approach. First, for the flexibility in enable test automation, RoScript successfully worked on 6 devices, 21 applications, over 600 GUI actions, and over 40 widget action combinations. We show that RoScript works on 3 different kind of cell phones: a Windows tablet, Linux-based Raspberry Pi, and a GoPro camera. RoScript's accuracy in forming touchscreen actions looks good. For the efficiency in forming touchscreen actions, triggering a GUI action while the robot average costs about 6.5 seconds. For the accuracy in recording click actions from human action videos, RoScript accurately record about 84% click actions into test scripts. And compare with an intrusive test automation tool, Securely, RoScript sacrifices execution speed and accuracy for being non-intrusive. Finally, let's make a short conclusion about the paper. The contribution of this work include a truly non-intrusive robotic test automation system, a video-based script recording technique, and a comprehensive evaluation of the proposed robotic testing technique. There are still many limitations in RoScript. First, its test execution speed is slower than intrusive testing. Second, sometimes RoScript does not accurately perform GUI actions. Besides, RoScript yet does not support automatically recording arbitrary GUI actions. Actually, we have significantly reduced many limitations recently, and we will continue to improve RoScript in the future. Okay, that's the end. Thank you very much.